Hey, this is Art Thompson, mortgage lender, real estate professional. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure you hit like, subscribe, or comment below. We'll definitely be replying to all of your comments. I wanted to go ahead and talk this morning about the forbearance plan if you own a mortgage. There's a lot of conversations going on, and I'm getting asked on a regular, should people take the forbearance? And I wanted to go into details on that. All right, so let's talk about it. In my professional opinion, if you are able to make your mortgage payment, I think it's a great idea for you to go ahead and make the payment and not take the forbearance. The reason for that is I'm only hearing that some of the mortgage servicers are rolling 3 to 4 months to a later date, and they're not even forgiving it. They're just rolling it to a later date, which may mean that you have to make those 3 to 4 payments along with the current month's payment, which could be pretty hefty. In a situation that our country is in right now, we're seeing that a lot of people don't have money to last so long, and I think it would be very hard for them to come up with 3, 4, or 5 payments for that reason, all at one time, if they're not being forgiven. Now, if you're in a situation to where you can't make that payment, maybe the forbearance is a good idea for you. But I do believe that if you're able to make that payment, you may want to go ahead and make the payment and not have to come up with 3, 4, or 5 payments at one time. Hopefully there's some help coming down the way that will allow some sort of forgiveness option or some sort of refinance option. But I do want to encourage people, if you are able to make the payment, you may want to do so to avoid having future foreclosure by having to make 3 or 4 payments at one time. So many of us don't know if you're going to have a job the very next day or next week or next month, or when this whole virus situation is going to be over. I know there's a big push for us to get our country back going, but we really don't know when it's going to come to an end. So for that reason, I say if you are able to make that payment, go ahead and make that payment. I hope that helps somebody today. Again, thanks so much for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button. We'll keep dropping as much information as we can to help you guys out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.